Hey guys, I just wanted to show you real quick, if you're on YouTube and you see an ad which you believe is a scam or false or misleading, there's a way that you can report it. It's not immediately obvious how to do it, but if you look right down here, you'll see this little tiny symbol. It's like a little small case or lowercase I. It's surrounded by a circle. It's called the information symbol. Okay, it's going to be right above the play bar in the left hand corner of the video window. And by clicking on that, you can actually go to report the ad, and you can tell you why you're seeing this ad, which is kind of, this information doesn't, time of day, your general location, which means that the ad is being shown to a lot of people. It's not very targeted. Okay, so you can report the ad here if you think the ad is a scam or misleading or false. That is as easy as it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment.